What's good, YouTube? It's Saturday, February 24th, and in my 2015 Subaru WRX, I'm going to be reviewing the Maperformance Stage 1 Plus E30 Tune. This tune is basically a mix of 4 gallons of E85 ethanol fuel mixed with 93 octane pump gas. So I'm going to be doing some pulls, and I'm going to try to do a 0 to 60 test, and just kind of tell you about how I feel and how the acceleration feels and everything else, throttle response, and maybe even tell you a little about the fuel economy as I drive. So I will continue this video on the road, and then from then on, I guess you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys on the road. Thank you for watching. What's going on, guys? Continuing this review of the Maperformance Stage 1 E30 Tune. I'm going to be near my back roads, and I'm going to do some pulls, maybe a 0 to 60 test, and whatever else I can do to help further explain how this tune is. By the way, on the way over here, I did a third gear pull, and oh man, it just blew me away how strong it just pulled. It was a wide open throttle third gear pull, so maybe if I have a chance on the time on the road, I'll try to basically hold it in certain gears and then do pulls. So let's go ahead and start off the first gear. No left shifts. Yeah, that's quick, man. Out of control flash. So yeah, the pull is definitely stronger. It definitely sucks you back in your seat even more than the regular Stage 1 injecting tune from Maperformance. So definitely makes a huge difference in the power delivery. So let's see what I can do here. See if I can get a quick 0 to 60 test. So get over to Performance 0 to 60. So let me turn off the full stage instruction. Alright. Get the revs kind of high. So that 0 to 60 was 4.2 seconds. I hope you guys can see that. 4.2 seconds 0 to 60. And that wasn't even really trying to get a perfect balance. Wow. 60 foot time 1.5. 0 to 60 4.279. So that's awesome, to say the least. So yeah, I've never been able to do a 4.2 seconds 0 to 60. However, the fastest I ever done with the 93 octane tune was, I believe, 4.7. I didn't have it on video, but I did manage to do it. So yeah, right off the bat, that is definitely more power. I'm actually kind of shaking here because I didn't expect it to be that fast. Alright, so I do have flatfoot shifting enabled. So let's get it. It definitely throws you back in your seat a lot more than the regular Performance Stage 1 93 octane tune. Oh wow, I did not expect a 4.2 second 0 to 60. Whew, what a ride. So yeah, so far I'm gonna say that it definitely is an amazing tune. I am blown away. Big thanks to Ian. He hooked me up with this tune. Basically, I've been making a lot of videos for them. I've been showing. I purchased my access part for them. I purchased the 93 octane tune, and big thanks to him. He is awesome. Every time I needed help, he was always there. He's fast on emails, sending tunes. He's just an incredible guy. So big thanks to Ian and Maperformance for actually even having this tune, which is awesome. So yeah. But my initial thoughts are wow. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to find certain areas where I can use certain gears, like certain pulls. Maybe a 30 gear pull, a second gear pull, and show it on video. So I got some traffic now, so let's see what I can do. I'm going to put the first level of traction back on, just the first one. Alright, second gear, make sure it comes around. Deal with gas. Yeah, third gear. really sucks you back into your seat. Wow, that's awesome. So yeah, definitely 2 thumbs up. This tune is awesome. Blown away by how much power, more power. It seems like the more you drive it, the better things feel, and I can definitely feel the difference for sure. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the camera for a second, and I'm gonna do a third gear pull on this road, so bear with me. All right, so third gear, nail the throttle. Okay guys, continuing this review, I had to set the camera again because when I did that third gear pull, I was had to restart the video. But yeah, my initial thoughts are, wow, this tune is awesome. It definitely feels stronger, and it's definitely a huge bump up in power. Maybe what I might try to do is try to go find another spot to do another 0 to 60 test, just to see if I can even do any better or if it's any worse. But yeah, so far it's great. So basically, when before you start this tune, is you want to basically have 4 gallons of E85 ethanol, and the rest pump gas. So you're basically going to be running about 11 to 12 gallons of nitrogen fuel, along with 4 gallons of E85. And, when you first start running, Ian says that you don't want to do any wide open throttle runs for at least 10-15 minutes. And then what I've noticed is as you keep driving, it just feels even better, the power delivery. And then the fine feedback knock readings. So far, I've gotten a 1.41 negative, which isn't really too bad. Dan stayed at 1, and I've been watching NASDAQ forums, seeing everything. They're saying it seems like once you get the right perfect blend of E85, you just will basically have a nice running tune with no problems. And so far, I'm very, very satisfied, and I'm very blown away by that 0 to 60 test that I just did. So overall, great. And really nothing bad to say. Like when you do a third gear pull, it is just so much stronger. It just pulls all the way to the red light, all the way. Throttle response, acceleration, seat of your pants dyno, all of it has just been huge up, huge increase. And overall, I'm very happy, as you guys can tell. Alright, so I got another WRX over here. Performance 0 to 60. Turn off the defrost so you get all the power. I really don't like doing 0 to 60 tests next to cars, but I guess I have no choice. So here we go. So that one, because there's a lot of wheel spin, was 4.6. basically say that the power is definitely there, the acceleration, the safety of your pants dyno, everything is increased. And 2 big thumbs up to Maperformance. I'm really satisfied with this tune, and I will say you will not be disappointed. Once you start driving it, putting some more miles, it just seems like it gets better and better as you keep driving. So overall, I like it. You'll definitely notice the difference, and you will not be disappointed. So I'm not sure if I can just find one other spot to maybe do another pull, starting in first gear, and then I will probably close the video. But as always, guys, thank you guys for the support. Thank you guys for the likes, subscriptions. As always, you got to cross your comment for leaving one. And I will maybe close this out with one more test starting in first gear. I got an Audi behind me that's literally tailgating me, so let's see if I can pull it off. No, it's turning behind me. One final pull, and then I'm going to close up the video, so here goes nothing. Totally backed off there because I thought I wasn't through all these cars. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. And as always, enjoy the tune and enjoy your weekend. Peace. Luce WRX signing out.